Uxua Alma, Casa do Bico is a stunning private villa located in the heart of Trancoso, Bahia, Brazil, just steps away from the historic Quadrado Square. Hidden down a charming cobblestone alley, this three-bedroom home offers complete privacy surrounded by lush tropical gardens. The villa beautifully blends rustic Brazilian architecture with luxurious modern comforts, featuring handcrafted wooden interiors, open-air living spaces, and a private pool with hydromassage. Guests can enjoy a fully equipped kitchen, spacious outdoor dining area, and daily housekeeping with breakfast service included. Casa do Bico provides access to the exclusive amenities of the Uxua Casa Hotel and Spa, such as the wellness center and gym, while maintaining its own secluded charm. Ideal for families or small groups of up to 8 people, it's a serene tropical retreat where natural beauty, culture, and luxury meet in perfect balance. Casa de Vidro, the glass house, located in Morumbi, São Paulo, is one of Brazil's most iconic modernist homes, designed by the legendary architect Lina Bobardi in 1951. Perched gracefully on slender stilts amidst lush tropical vegetation, the house appears to float above the forest floor, blending seamlessly with nature. Its open design and extensive use of glass walls dissolve the boundaries between indoors and outdoors, allowing natural light and greenery to fill every corner. The minimalist structure, built with concrete, steel, and glass, was Lina's personal residence and also served as a creative studio where she and her husband, art critic Pietro Maria Bardi, hosted artists and intellectuals. Today, it is preserved as a museum, a masterpiece of Brazilian modernism that represents harmony between architecture, art, and the natural environment. Nestled deep in the lush Atlantic forest of Guarujá, São Paulo, the Jungle House is one of Brazil's most breathtaking architectural wonders. Designed by the world-renowned Studio 27 Malawian Quachas, this modern masterpiece seems to float above the jungle canopy, perfectly balancing luxury and nature. The house is built on a hillside with open spaces that capture sunlight and fresh ocean air, offering stunning panoramic views of the forest and sea. Its elevated infinity pool, wooden decks, and glass walls create a seamless connection between indoor comfort and the surrounding wilderness. Every detail, from the concrete structure to the warm tropical wood, reflects a deep respect for the environment. More than just a home, the Jungle House is a living example of sustainable luxury, where modern design meets the untamed beauty of Brazil's natural landscape. Hidden deep within the lush Atlantic forest of Guarujá, São Paulo, the Ipiranga House stands as one of Brazil's most remarkable examples of sustainable luxury living. Designed by the acclaimed architectural firm Niche Arquitetos Associados, this modern masterpiece was built in harmony with its natural surroundings, literally blending into the tropical landscape. Resting gracefully on elevated wooden stilts, the house seems to float above the forest floor, minimizing its environmental impact while allowing the natural vegetation to grow freely beneath it. The structure is made of wood, glass, and concrete, combining strength with elegance. Its open layout, large sliding glass doors, and wide terraces allow natural ventilation and sunlight to fill the interior, reducing the need for artificial lighting and air conditioning. Inside, the decor is minimal yet warm, featuring wooden textures, neutral tones, and contemporary furnishings that keep the focus on the stunning views outside. Outside, the terrace and pool area open directly into the dense green canopy, creating the feeling of living in a luxury treehouse surrounded by the sounds of birds and ocean breezes. The design not only celebrates modern Brazilian architecture but also sets a new standard for eco-friendly living. The Ipiranga House is more than a home, it's a peaceful retreat that proves modern comfort and environmental respect can exist in perfect balance. Located in the historic heart of Belém, Pará, the Safra Mansion, also known as Palacete Bolona, is one of Brazil's most magnificent architectural treasures. Built between 1905 and 1908 by engineer and art lover Francisco Bolona, this grand residence reflects the luxurious lifestyle of Brazil's elite during the Amazon rubber boom era, a time when Belém was one of the richest cities in South America. The mansion's design is an extraordinary blend of European architectural styles, especially Art Nouveau and Neoclassical, featuring intricate stained glass windows, carved marble staircases, bronze ornaments, and richly painted ceilings. Every room inside the Billionaire mansion is filled with elegance and artistic detail, from imported tiles and mirrors from France to handcrafted wooden floors made by local artisans. Its facade is decorated with Greek columns, statues, and floral patterns, making it one of the most photographed landmarks in Belém. The mansion was one of the first buildings in the region to have electric lighting and modern plumbing, showcasing the innovation and sophistication of its time. Today, the Billionaire mansion stands preserved as a cultural heritage site and museum, open to visitors who wish to experience the grandeur of early 20th century Brazilian aristocracy. It's not just a house, it's a timeless symbol of art, architecture, and the golden history of the Amazon region. In the bustling historic center of São Paulo, the Solar da Marquesa de Santos stands as one of the city's oldest and most elegant colonial mansions. Built in the 18th century, this grand residence once belonged to Domitila de Castro Canto e Melo, famously known as the Marquesa de Santos, the noblewoman and lover of Emperor Dom Pedro I of Brazil. Her story and this house are deeply woven into Brazil's imperial history. The mansion's architecture reflects the Portuguese colonial style, with thick taipa, rammed earth, walls, high wooden ceilings, and wide windows framed by decorative shutters. Despite its simplicity, the interior radiates elegance, featuring antique furniture, chandeliers, and artifacts that transport visitors back to the 1800s. The house also had some early luxury for its time, like spacious salons for receptions and courtyards designed for natural ventilation and light. Over the centuries, the Solar da Marquesa de Santos has survived fires, renovations, and urban expansion, making it one of the few remaining examples of São Paulo's early elite residences. Today, it is preserved as a museum and cultural center, showcasing exhibits on the city's colonial life, architecture, and the fascinating story of the Marquesa herself. The Solar is more than a historic building, it's a living piece of São Paulo's past, a rare window into the elegance, romance, and power that shaped Brazil's early 19th century society.